Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling Worksheets. Days of the week. Spelling learning. Let's start. There are 7 days in a week. Now you have to repeat the spellings after me. Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday, T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday, F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday, S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. Weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.